In this last video, we're going to look at the final step in this introductory series. This is going to be rating the quality of the overall import or sending a diagnostics package to support for, reporting any kind of issues or questions or concerns you might have had with your library import. So this last step is just a matter of clicking on the View Results window, at which point you're going to get a recap of what you just worked with. These are the tool lists that you had just imported into your Fusion library. You've got some specifications on what those lists were and how much manual recreation time you have been estimated to have saved on that particular library. So clearly with this library of just 2 tool assemblies, you don't expect that number to be all too dramatic, but on libraries of 200 plus tools, you can imagine that's getting into hours, if not days, of time savings. So in this particular tool, you've got the opportunity to rate the quality of your import. This is optional, but if you do intend to send feedback in the least, you're going to have to type in a message, and you've got the optional attachment here where it would send the source library file, right? So it's an optional attachment. You just want to make sure this is something that you want to send, yes or no, and then you would simply confirm or cancel and fire this off for feedback from support. We appreciate your support. It does help improve the quality of this tool as well as others, and we certainly like to interact with users and see where they're coming from, how they're using the tools, and maybe their thoughts on where they might like to see this go. So thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed this series, and please reach out if you have any questions.